Abba Yah, Torah, Hallelujah. All praises to your holy name, Yahuwah, Yahweh, the one and only Elohim of Israel, alone. Understand that I am He. Before me there was no God formed, neither shall there be after me.
Children of Israel, the so-called African Americans and descendants of slaves scattered to the four corners of the earth, witness how the Most High is taking care of our enemies for us. We got Gaza, fake Israel, we got Texas flood, we got floods all over the world, Dubai, China. I don't know if Kenya is Hamites or what, but the Most High is taking care of our enemies. You're witnessing this. You're living at a time where you have to observe that that's what's going on. The Europeans' birth rate is down. We were sold to our enemies. Give praises to the Most High every day, throughout the day. Hallelujah.
And therefore mine eyes shall not spare, neither will I have any mercy. I have recompensed their ways upon their heads.